Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with WordPress detailed guide step by step clearly. First, begin by identifying the specific sales goals you want to achieve with your WordPress site. Next, analyze your current sales strategies and pinpoint areas that need improvement. Research your target audience to better understand their needs and preferences. Install a comprehensive analytics plugin to monitor visitor behavior on your site. Utilize the data gathered to adjust your sales approach based on user engagement patterns. Optimize your product or service pages with compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Incorporate a clear call to action on every page to guide visitors toward making a purchase. Consider using sales-focused WordPress themes that enhance the shopping experience. Implement SEO best practices to improve your site's visibility in search engine results. Focus on content marketing by creating blog posts that provide value and establish authority. Leverage email marketing by collecting leads and sending personalized offers to your audience. Explore social proof options, like testimonials and reviews, to build trust with potential customers. Integrate upselling and cross-selling techniques on your product pages to increase average order value. Use A/B testing to determine which sales strategies perform best with your audience. Regularly update your content and product offerings to keep your site fresh and engaging. Engage with customers through social media to create a community around your brand. Consider using premium plugins for enhanced functionality, such as cart abandonment recovery. Evaluate your competitors' strategies to identify successful tactics you can adopt. Monitor your sales performance regularly and adjust your strategies accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your sales strategies using WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.